What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and today we're back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Donmily Hair. They sent me this 22-inch body wave lace front wig. Now, modeling today, we have one of my long-term clients. I was doing her hair for years before I even started taking YouTube serious, and her name is Salitha, and she's back in my chair today. Oh, by the way, Salitha is my Aquarius sister as well. So, she's going on vacation in a couple days, so we had to do something really cute and jazzy for her. So I think I'm going to do some crimps, and we're going to do a middle part, but I'm going to make it a little spiced up with a zigzag part. If you guys are interested in getting your own bottle of liquid lace, make sure you go ahead and check out galaxygirlhair.com right now. So I know we just skipped in time just now. I don't know how my phone deleted all of this footage of me doing the baby hair in the mold, but I guess we're here. Alright, so about these crimps, alright, there's two ways you can do crimps. You can do them soft or you can do them hard. Soft crimps you will do without using any spritz, and they really come out soft. They come out soft. They come out like not necessarily uniformed, not perfect. It kind of looks just more like a natural wave than an actual crimp. But if you're trying to go get that old school, really uniformed look, then you're going to get your spritz and spray the piece that you're crimping on the top and the bottom. And it's going to make it really crunchy, really crispy, and it's going to make it more uniformed. All right, so now I'm going to take my comb and kind of comb the top down a little bit so it kind of falls into the curls really nicely and doesn't look too bulky and high on top. Ooh, and look at these crimps, honey. So this is our final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and most of all, thank you so much Donmily for sponsoring this video. Once again, this is a 22-inch body wave lace front wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put the information below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.